Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and I am so excited to walk you through my brand new Plum Paper Planner for the year 2019.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
This is my third Plum Paper. I love it. I chose this pattern for this year, and then I got these really light on purpose. I don't even know if it's gonna show up, but it's my initials in the year 2019. So we have just an overview spread of the year. By the way, I usually get a bigger planner. This is my first Plum Paper of this size. I love my bigger planner, but I'm having a baby in March, and I thought it would just be easier to have a smaller planner. This is a nice spread with 12 sections, one for each month. You can either do kind of special events in each month, goals of each month, however you want to set this up. So this to me looks really similar to last year, if not exactly the same. The first page of the month first has these 3 goals, which I love using. I think it's so helpful. And then a section for birthdays, events, and things to remember. And then just a lined page, and you can use this for whatever you want, obviously. And then we have just a regular calendar view of the month of January with a little column here for any notes, and then a look ahead at the month of February. And then here's an example of a weekly spread. This is why I love this planner. So we have our month at a glance here. And then I think this is new. These sections used to be blank, so you could customize them, but now they are printed with this week and notes, which is exactly kind of what I used to write in. So I like that change. I kind of do my weekly to-dos in this section and any extra things down here. I have 7 sections to my days broken up. So this is Monday, January 7th, and the sections that I customized with, they printed them for me. You can leave them blank, but mine are appointments, work, fitness, house, YouTube, young living, and journal. So this is kind of how I organize my day. You can get one that just lists the hours of the day. You can get a lot of different options, but this is how my brain works, and I love it. The end of the month has another lined page, and I believe this was an extra, and it's a monthly cleaning notes page, so it's broken up into different sections. I usually do zone cleaning, how Jen does it taught me, and so sometimes I'll write over these sections based on what zone I'm in the particular month. I believe I have a video on zone cleaning and how I use it in my planner, so I will link that above and below. I got the meal add-on section, which I honestly probably only used 40% of the time last year, but it really makes a huge difference. So I really want to get back into it, especially with the new baby coming. So what it looks like, first of all, there's different conversion things, and I don't know, I don't really use this. And then there is kind of one spread per month. So this is 4 shopping lists, and the idea is one for each week of the month, but you can obviously customize it however you do it. And then these are the meals. So week 1, 2, 3, and 4, Monday through Sunday. You write in your plan. And I really like how it's set up. It's really simple, and I feel like it's usable. And then at the back, they have a section, kind of, you write your stores and what you like to get there. And there's a section for phone number and website. I would be surprised if anyone really uses this part, but you know, some things I like to get at Target, some things I like to get at Aldi or Trader Joe's, so I can see how this would be beneficial. And then this is a section to write your takeout and restaurant favorites, which I think is also really helpful. Oh, I don't think they had this last year. It's an annual grocery spending tracker. So that's pretty cool. The next custom add-on is the fitness section. I also got this the last 2 years. It looks a little different. So this is the overall page for the year where you can do your starting measurements, and then a year later your ending, and just set some goals and intentions. And then similar to the meal planning section, each month has a 2-page spread. And this looks a little different too. Yeah, this looks really different. So here we go. We have monthly overview. So this would be January, if you want to write your BMI goal, your weight goal. And then there's a fitness tracker. So there are 31 rows for 31 days. And then these sections look different. So there's a column for vitamins, sleeps, I guess how long you slept, steps, exercise, and then this is cool. This was last year as well. It's a little grid with 8 glasses of water that you can fill in, so to track your water. I actually like this better than last year. I think it was like reps, exercise, things like that, like miles, and I feel like this is more user-friendly for me, so I like this change. And then the other page for the month of January, you would write your goal for the month, your motivation and rewards. I did this a few times. I would say I would get a new pair of leggings or something if I met my monthly goal, and that was fun. There's a section to measure your different areas of your body if you'd like. I am obviously pregnant right now, and then I will be postpartum during this year, so I'm not really sure I'm going to be focused a lot on my weight and my measurements, but I definitely will be using this section to kind of track my fitness overall. At the end of the section, there is a yearly overview, kind of a reflection page, which is nice. I got a section called blog that I will use for YouTube. This is a little different than one I got last year. So first is some log information for your different platforms, so YouTube, Instagram, I suppose. And then again, I think it's 1 spread per month. So priorities, to-dos, a section for brainstorming, any advertising or sponsor notes. And then this is where you formalize your posting schedule. And then there's a little section to kind of review your statistics at the end of each month. And there are a couple cool features at the end of this section. So one is advertising, sponsors, and reviews. So, and that's kind of starting a little bit for me, where companies will pay me to make videos. So I can keep track of all that and what they paid me or what they sent me. So that will be nice. And then a section for giveaways and contests to keep track of all of that, which I probably do like 4 giveaways a year, so that will be nice. Winners, contact info, you can do statistics of how successful the giveaway is, how many subs that you gained. And then there is an expense tracker and an income tracker. This is a yearly overview of your expenses. So you track what you took in and when you took out, and then your net, to kind of see what your total net income is for the year, which right now I am negative. So maybe this year we will see some black instead of red. The last section I got is a section for the baby. I don't know if this is new. I never noticed it before, but maybe just because I was never pregnant before. So this is gonna be so cute. So we're gonna have the name and the birth date, and there's just kind of some memories to write. When I discovered I was pregnant, my pregnancy was horrible, kind of different memories. And then, oh, there's a section for the birth story, which will be awesome. And some grids to track the weight and height and any other measurements. I know head is one that you do at most doctor visits. And then every month has a spread, and you can just keep track of the age, weight, and height, and different milestones that the baby met that month, and any fun memories that you want to write down. I'll never forget when, you know, you rolled over the first time you smiled. Oh, and then there are pages for doctor visits. You can write down questions beforehand, which is so good to do even if you don't have a planner, is to write down things that you don't want to forget to ask. I always forget. And just different notes for the doctor visits. There's, I don't know if you can see it, there are grid pages, so either notes or if you want to graph something. Oh, we're on to just general stuff. So this, I hate to say I use it, it's probably really unsafe, but you list your different websites and your username and password. I should probably get Norton or something, but I totally use this. And then a My Contacts page, I do not use this. All my contacts are in my phone. This is good to have though, US holidays, because the dates change often. And then a look at the upcoming year, 2020. And there are sturdy folders in each one. And that is everything. I love this so much. Be sure to check out more information below, and thanks to Plum Paper for sending this to me. Thank you so much for watching. As mentioned, I'll have information below on how you can get a discount if you've never purchased before. I love these planners so much, and I hope you will as well. Thank you so much for watching, and whatever your plans are today, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.